It was
Mike was
no, it was Adam. Adam.
Adam.
Here, Adam. Nice, Randy.
Guys, if we our main thing is to make sure you don't lose big money. Once we got that done, you guys will start making money. You will figure it out. But that's it. If we do that alone, we will keep 70% more people. Let's get ready to rumble.
Here we go. Those of you who do not have explicit permission to trade the open, you must wait 6 minutes. Let it shake itself out. Those of you with permission to trade the open, do nothing right now. You know what to do. If you have permission to trade the open, you will be perfectly fine trading the open.
Sure.
You could, because we've seen you do it, and we know that you know how to do it profitably. We take this very serious, guys. We want to make sure people are green on a daily basis. One of the reasons, if you guys were in, that we were so uptight with the Jersey Turnpike trade is because we just try to keep people safe. We want to, help people go in the right direction. And it's not that you can't take those trades. It's just that we have a lot of other people we got to be responsible for. So this is one of those things. Wait 6 minutes. If you don't explicitly know how to trade the open, wait 6 minutes. It's not because we're trying to keep you out of money. We're trying to keep you from losing money.
Yeah. No, we don't want to see you make money. Only we want to make money. So if you trade the 6 minutes, you'll probably make money, and then you'll embarrass us. Not that. It's no. We don't want to see you guys go, I'm red on the day. I'm red on the day before I started.
Yeah. As soon as you start, you're red. That's not a good way to start a day. Let's see. Tom, text the main number, Tom. And we'll just make sure that you can send a support request, log into the site, just send a request, or I'll do it for you. You're definitely going to be on Monday, Tom, if you like our ranting and raving. I am long here, guys.
And I am waiting 4 minutes.
You're waiting.
I'm waiting.
Little tiny scalp.
And I'll be leaving here in 30 minutes, guys. 30 minutes. So we'll get the whole first half hour in.
Yay. All right, Tom, and let's Kev Dog. Just text that main number, and we'll get time scheduled for a coaching session, Kev Dog.
If anybody wants to buy, watch that R1 a little bit below it. That's where you've had a couple of resistance areas, which have now become support. So where is that? About 260. So another 70 points lower, the market should start coming into nice support. For all you guys who missed the up move, be patient. See it dropping? Just relax.
Yep.
We could have a hypnosis tape here.
We should. First 6 minutes, play the hypnosis tape.
Yeah. Relax. Picture yourself on a warm, secluded beach.
Those of you trading the open with me, trail your stops on this one. Those of you waiting 6 minutes, let it go. Let it go.
I mean, the market is moving up and down, guys.
A lot.
44 ticks every 2 minutes minimum.
You got to be quick with it.
We don't have to tell you. You could see it, guys. Right?
Oh, all right. We'll see. You're talking about Monday, right, Lope? 89s. One left. And another 2 minutes, guys. And very, very, very rarely do we have what? We're closing at 10? Hypnosis. The room is closing at 10 a.m.
You've entered a world of space and time.
We did that
He's
yesterday.
under the Twilight Zone.
Okay. That was yesterday. Support and resistance we did yesterday at 1.
Today's support is 931. 32,600 is, or 599 is resistance. One tick is not going to make a difference among friends.
Very rarely do we end up in that first like 6 to 8 minute mark, not get a good setup. So guys, if you're just patient, usually you'll find a good setup.
And when was the last time we went a whole day without a trade? Go, nope, nothing here. You know, so we will do trades. We will continue to amaze you guys.
Oh, no, I just want you guys to tell me, like send me a private message what you came up with, some of your numbers on the different time frames. Or you can do it in public in the group, what your support and resistance levels that you found personally on your different time frame charts. Well, I was trying to go flat. Did not happen.
Watch your ticks, guys. Watch them.
Counting ticks. They started high, ran down. It's always interesting to me when the ticks are moving down and the market's moving up.
Yeah, isn't that a little bit of a
Little
piece of
sign,
information you like to know, guys? It's the hint.
little hint. What do you think that hint is?
Go higher.
The NYC ticks? It's just one data feed. It should be under the 6 minutes are up, and we don't have a great trade setup.
We want a nice low tick read and then a hook, and we go long. There you go. So the first touch roll there, right there, guys. See that? See the low ticks? Just breaking zero. Coming back, coming back, coming back.
All right. Patience, guys. I think we could probably look for a good clean hook on stochastics.
Here we go. Cross. Boom.
Here it is.
First target is 60. And then we should get toward 80, 380.
Or go flat. Let's see, Kev Dog, that it shouldn't matter because the tick chart is based on the New York Stock Exchange, not the contracts. So when you're on Ninja's data series, you go to market internals and pick the Dow and key indices. They just changed it. Coach, we lost your charts. Uh-oh.
I reboot them
Oh, okay.
so I can get, when I hit that button, it shows the trades and all that, to go in. Otherwise, it's taking like 20 seconds. That's unacceptable. Yeah, I hit that alert, and then it's crazy. All right, guys, if you're long in here now, your first target's going to be 63, and then 80, 380, okay? R1, we're getting that pullback toward R1, remember? No, Jerry, you're supposed to wait for remember what I said? Who remembers? We said the support comes where? You're going in too soon. Hello, guys. What are you stopped out? You shouldn't be in a trade yet, remember? The resistance was what? What was the previous resistance? Hello?
Now support.
260, right? You guys are jumping in.
260.
Greed. That's called greed.
Relax. We need some more of that music. We need some more of the Gnosis music. Yeah.
You guys are jumping in when we're long. We're buying into your stop outs.
Yeah.
Here's resistance. Let's show you again. Well, next week we'll do a class on it. Here's your resistance. Remember, that's where support is, R1. So you're selling and where the big boys are buying. Thank you very much for helping Goldman Sachs make money. All right.
Yeah.
Here's your target.
Sorry, Coach. Go
That's
ahead.
all right. Where's your next target? Who remembers?
Good job, David.
363.
I got like 4 ticks in front of you.
Yeah.
David.
And you guys are not looking at the average true range. Your stop should be nearly 80 points. So I don't know what kind of stop you got in. 20 points, 30 points? Yeah, you're going to get stopped out. Send me your money.
Got to wait for the hook on the stochastics, guys. And we did, like Coach blasted it from the rooftops, 260, 260, 260.
Yeah, it's a 360. It's a 100-point trade. Chrissy, get over there.
260. It's okay. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys that took that were in sim.
Yep, it's a good learning process.
Well,
buy into support, sell into resistance. Remember what Coach was saying before? The ticks were high. They're coming down. Until you know what you're doing. First of all, you should know what your support is. You should know what is, what the risk is.
I'm flat. I'm done. I'll let this thing sell off a little bit more. Ticks are just screaming down, guys. We'll get it. Any of you guys missing that need a coaching call, I'm telling you guys, even if you just go into pro for a month, it's $2.99. It's going to save you that stop out. Get your couple coaching calls in pro for a month and focus on those stops. Focus on those entries. That's why we have it. We have any of you guys that are doing the coaching. Anybody that's done coaching, those of you with the elite badges, did anybody that has an elite badge that's actually followed their plan on the coaching take that loss that some of the other people did? The point I'm trying to make is coaching, we have it for a reason, guys. We want to help you. Obviously, our coaches don't, are trading as well, so their time's valuable. but we do want to help you. We want to make sure you're making money and not taking those big. Which is why I'm talking right now. Really, is we should be sitting on the sidelines letting this thing retrace some.
And if you're going to trade, use a big stop. Use a swing point. Don't be just jumping in because it's exciting and everybody else is making money. That is not a good reason to trade. We are in support right now. So as soon as you see the turn up, go long and use your stop right below whatever swing point exists after the market turns up. Everybody got that? Capiche?
Already got one off. You guys should have a contract off now.
And just put a stop right now, guys, at 189.
There you go.
Who's long?
I think it would be rhetorical to say I'm long.
Mm-hmm.
Good job,
Yeah.
AA. Good job, Will Trade. Good job, David. Good job, Guy. Good job, Jay. Patience. Wait for the pullbacks. This is why being in class, support and resistance. Those of you who did the support and resistance session with me on Thursday, did that not help you? On both of those trades, you should have already had lines on your charts, right? Those of you that did the homework, Lope left, but I know he did it. He hasn't. Lines on his charts. Who else was in there? Let's see.
Next target is 290. We told you buy anything from 260 below is a buy.
Lope, did you already have your lines there for the different support levels from our training on Thursday?
$290 is your next target. 290. That would be 30 points. But if you just bought it at 260, you'd already have 30 points of profit. If you bought it at 210, right, you'd have 80 points of profit. So be smart.
207. 207, coach.
Yep.
Jay was in. Yeah, you were in, Jay. You now this is the part where you assess those lines you put on the chart and were they accurate or not. Mine were pretty darn accurate.
How about taking one off and then 295? We'll raise our target to 295. All right?
Deal. I'll take that deal. Before you leave, coach, if you don't mind, just make sure to hit all the F's in the top.
Yeah, I know. I a lot of times miss those guys. Yeah, we'll do it right now. A lot of times, when I move and center it, then it becomes a problem. 295 is your next target, guys. Now, Randy, are you in a trade? 295 is your next target. Don't get out with 10 points of profit.
Randy's done for the day.
All right, Mr. Randy.
And David, that is called what? It starts with a C.
Oops, sorry.
What? Coach, come on. There we go. It is a good use of it, David. Influence. And those of you on trial, we got a few people just showing up on trial. Missed some excitement this morning. We've had some few darn good trades. We actually didn't play the Rocky song for somebody that got a 100-point winner. We're patient traders. We are long right now. Most of us are long. Those of you on trial, what we ask is that you watch your orientation video while you're on trial, schedule a coaching session if you spend a day in the room or so, and let the coach answer any questions you have. Feel free to chat, participate in the session yourself, ask questions. We will answer them. spend your 3 days with us. If you like the trade calls, you like our shenanigans, it's $99 to be a part of the room. Start learning the basic trade setups. We give you videos on those basic trade setups, soon to be a course that you will automatically, e-learning course that you will automatically be enrolled in. And obviously we are flat now, obviously.
Now, one other thing quickly, guys. Do you remember the high here, right? The high is what? Real quick. 398, right? Where would the market go down into support? Where should it go down
Right
into
here.
support? Draw your lines. Where? If you don't know, don't trade.
If you don't know, now you don't know. That was another good buy signal, guys, but it was also another support area. I mean, not like high probability that you're going to get a ton of ticks out of it, but you got the second test here of this support.
32,180 should be support, right? Anybody see that?
My line was on 82, Coach. Literally have a horizontal line sitting at 82.
Because we're using 218 as the volatility. Yep. There you go.
Hey, look at that.
And that tells you something, right, guys? If the market can be moving 200 points at a time, stops can't be 20 points.
These big swings, guys, that we've been seeing will give you a false sense on your charts. Your charts are going to try to squeeze the candles down. And so you've got to do some math when you're seeing stuff like this.
Yep.
You have to. There's no other way around it. Oh, man, I got to do math. Yes, you do. Add, subtract. And a lot of times I have to take off my shoes to figure those numbers out. I still get there.
Good morning. Welcome to Celebrity Trading Club. Hope you guys enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, visit libertytradingclub.com and sign up for your free 3-day trial. During your trial, you'll have access to the trade room to take our live trade calls, as well as participate in chat and get your questions answered by a coach. After your first free 3 days, it's just $99 a month to have trade room access, and you'll also unlock our core training videos on our trading methodology. Please like, subscribe, and share.